I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach.
Welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I love curly hair, so I'm coming at you with another curly hair video. Look at this wig. Like, does it not look like so natural and flowy? I love when curly hair is not too like stuck together. I did moisturize this hair, but I just run my fingers through it once it was dried just to have it have this puffy look. I absolutely am feeling this look. So this is Nadula hair. This is their kinky wig. They label this one their kinky wig, so I will have the links in the description box so you guys can get this wig if you're interested. Absolutely, I feel like Nadula hair has been killing the game recently, so yeah, this is the wig. Let me show you what came in their packaging. In this packaging, obviously it comes in the box. A robe. Nadula has been coming with these robes. Bonnet, wig grip, wig cap, elastic band to tie down your lace, and some lashes. So yeah, that's all the things that came in the box today. So I'm going to show you guys me installing the wig like regular. I did go ahead and just moisturize it. If you guys have not checked out my moisture routine, I am going to link it down below. And this is how the hair looks. So let's get right into this video so y'all can see. Okay guys, I didn't really start to put on the wig yet. I just wanted to see how fast I could put on this wig. So I'm going to just put on my timer. I'm doing my same routine, so I'm not really going to talk through it. I'm just going to play some music, but I'm going to put on a timer on my phone and we'll see how fast I could put on this wig. Because you guys say like, oh, you put on your wig so fast. Let's see. So I'm gonna start off the timer now, okay? And I'm gonna stop it when I'm done. Bear in mind, I be making the spray, my adhesive spray, I make it get tacky.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe.
Okay, I'm back. So it's been 19 minutes. I left the timer running. I left the timer on so you guys can see how long it actually takes me. Ooh, okay, now it's looking like this. I'm just gonna break up this a bit because I'm gonna go ahead and separate my baby hairs from the rest of the hair. And now I'm just going to take this. It's a little bit damp, but I'm gonna use some water and just kind of clean around right here. I don't like that being. All right, so now I'm going to cut off all this extra lace and try to cut it as close as possible to the adhesive, line. We're at 21 minutes. Okay guys, so I just like woke up and stuff. Oh my gosh, I have a pimple right there. I'm not gonna pop it. I just woke up and I did not do anything to my face or anything, so I'm just gonna do my edges. You could leave it like this if you want to, but I just want to do my edges. And as you guys know, I love curly wigs. If you watch my channel, you know I love curly wigs. It's the next morning. I started putting this wig on last night, so I'm just gonna break up any casts. And this wig fits perfectly on my hairline. I have to moisturize this hair, but I don't want to do it today because it's very, very cold outside. Yeah.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room, room. Take it to the boom, boom, room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the beam. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my dad in the wind, I fucked at the wind. My dog just caught another body, now he's popping Xannies again. Caught his ass slipping at the cul-de-sac. Sliding on the Osland toe tag. Just in Miami, I was chillin' with a Zozat. In the Rolls Royce, I don't need a low jack. Keep the 45, I had to hold it. Gotta ride with it, cause I'm chosen. I just pulled up, won't let me land. Playing dice with mustard, bet it on the photo team. I remember wondering what I'm gonna eat. Pull up that Bentley with no key. I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room, room. Take it to the boom, boom, room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the beam. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Mud, see me on mud. Niggas talk shit, but they never ever knew us. I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room, room. Take it to the boom, boom, room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the like I'm sliding in the beam. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me, these are all my confessions. Man, this wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me, this ain't what I want, man, this what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest.
I'll come back to you guys once the hair is 100% dry, so like later on today I'll come back to you guys so you could see how it looks.
I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, I'm way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, way up, I feel blessed. I ain't gonna say that we back or nothing, cause that implies that we're back from something. If we're back from something, it's some checks you owe us. I expect that payment, nothing less or over. I don't need the favors that you asked me for. I could give 2 fucks about where the Grammys go. I just gave out Grammys on my Instagram. The more we on boys, the business, man. It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you give. Yeah. You gotta come to my side and see how we live. Yeah. I cannot see heaven being much better than this. Yeah. Blessings on blessings for me and my niggas from the
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Nadula hair. It's absolutely giving natural tease, and that's exactly what I want all of us to give. So yeah, it's definitely a look. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and if you guys want to subscribe, make sure you do that now, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. I am going to be having like vlogs and stuff coming up soon, so it's not going to be so much hair videos. So I really appreciate it if you guys support the hair videos that I'm posting right now, because it's not going to be too much soon, okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' room, room. Take it to the boom, boom, room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach, coupe in the butter.